Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the moderation analysis. In this video we are going to discuss in part 6 moderation analysis. First we'll open the software as well as model which we are using the last video. Right, previous video we are talking about mediation analysis. This video we will discuss the moderation analysis. Right, so firstly we will delete this mediation relationship. Okay, now here we are talking about work-life balance run as a moderator. Right, we'll take it and add it and run. Same setting in the previous lecture we have saved it. Save setting and save and run. In the meantime we will see talked about the moderation. To moderation known as a moderator play a crucial role to understand a condition which is the relationship between two variables, usually independent and the dependent variable, may change its value. Moderation analysis help to researcher to identify when or for whom the particular relationship is strong or weaker. So basic independent variable, here we are talking about independent is organization culture, that variable that you believe has an effect on the dependent variable. Dependent variable is job satisfaction. The dependent is the outcome of the response vary to changing and try to explain the predict. And moderating variable is we are talking about work-life balance, and that moderating variable is third variable that influence to the strength and direction of the relationship between independent and dependent variable. The main effect independent to dependent, so that is culture to job satisfaction. Moderating through we are talking about relationship between independent and dependent through moderating, that is work-life balance. We will go for result. We will go for bootstrap. Here some issues will be there. Culture and job satisfaction is not significant. In 95% some issue arises. Bootstrap, that is 0 arises in between the relationship, that is -0.308 and that is 0.004. So the relationship is not significant, right? And the t statics, that is less than 1.96 is minor issues will be there. Here we are talking about work life balance and job satisfaction, that is 93, and well as the t statics we are talking about, that is 2. That is greater than 1.96, that is 12.66, and 95% 0.780 and 1.073 is not a issue. Come to the scores, so we will go for selected scores, right? And these scores we will paste it select it, copy, right, 3 dot, as well as this table I already pasted up here. You will go and you will paste it, and then you will go for interaction term. So these is you will multiply culture multiply by work-life balance, and you will drag it here like this. Save the file. Again we will new model. Okay, new model, clear data, project, import data, next. again we will create a model. Okay, these are the previous model, then we are going for to model 2. We will go for interaction term, how it is interacting. Let's see, we are having the complete direct all composite score. We are talking about culture, that is outcome. We are talking about job satisfaction. Some problem arises, culture model, we will close it. Okay, we will, some issue arises, we will solve the issues. I don't know what is going on. Again restart the program. Now we will talk about the interaction term, right? Same process we will run here again, complete model, save and run. Now we will talk about the result. These are the interaction term on job satisfaction, that is -206, right? As well as t statics is significant, and 95% bootstrapping is also significant, is supporting -0.313 -0.107. Work life and job satisfaction is also significant, right? As here no not a issue. After bootstrapping we will see the changes here. The 0.159, if we run with interaction, that changes we will talked about. Here the t statics is significant and is not a issue at all, right? Without interaction some issue will be there. Now it's moderation analysis, right? So we are talking about culture and job satisfaction. Culture impacted to the job satisfaction, and work life also impacted to the job satisfaction, and interaction between culture as well as in work life balance, that is these interaction on job satisfaction, that is -206, and t status is greater than 1.96, 3 -3.96, right? And p statics is significant, so it's not a issue. So that we are talking about the interaction uh, term is significant. Now we will see that we will talk about how to read the data, how to read the results, that is important. And here is indicated that if we talk about the result, they give work life balance and culture, your interaction on the job satisfaction, that is -02.6. The interaction effect of coefficient represent how the combination of two variable influence the third variable, differently than if they were considered independently. So in case the negative coefficient or suggests that the interaction between work-life balance and organization culture has moderating effect on job satisfaction. When you consider these two factors together, they have negative impact on job satisfaction, which means that the influence of culture on job satisfaction is reduced when work-life balance taken into account. In simply, we can say that the organization has positive culture. If the work-life balance is poor, it can be diminishing and the positive effect of culture on job satisfaction. Or if an organization culture has negative culture but provide excellent work-life balance, if it mitigate the some of the negative impact of culture to job satisfaction.